Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. Today we're going to discuss preparation for the harvest. So let's take a look and see. Well, we're sitting here in the storage room and we're looking at what's on this shelf. Now, you'll have to excuse the disarray, but I'm not OCD, so I'm fine with it. But as we can see, a lot of shelves are getting bare. And so it's time to start thinking about preparing food for storage. Now, I know a lot of you hadn't even started your growing season, but what happens is you wait till you have a harvest ready, and then you turn around and you have this problem. You have nothing to put your food in, your vegetables for storage. You have no rings. Now, it might look like I'm hoarding up a bunch of bottles, and to a certain extent I might be, but not particularly. I have a lot of these that's empty. I have a lot of new ones, pints. In fact, I have some more that's in my overhead storage. So I have a lot, and I have plenty of quart bottles because I was down to my last ones, and so I ordered some from 10 cases from Tractor Supply. And after I'd got these, well, don't you know, there was a shortage and the price was getting all jacked up and everything like that. But what I'm getting at is, you don't want, it's just like your seeds. A lot of people, they're trying to get seeds now and they can't get their seeds because they waited till the last minute. Don't be that person. Don't be in a situation to where you can't get your canning done because you can't find lids and such as that, because they are getting scarce now. I don't have a problem because I picked up most of mine after the season was over last year. So I have way more metal rings, hopefully way more jars than I'll need. I am going to put a lot of stuff into storage this year. Like I say, last year we used up all our jars, so we ended up with starting to go to pints. We still had quite a few pint jars, but we're so much used to quarts for a lot of our stuff, and it might have been better if we did do in pints, because now that we don't have the kids at home, you don't need quite so much. But there's a lot of things that you can store. You need to decide to do it now. It's this my cilantro. Of course, this was put up last year. It grows better in the winter, but this is probably half a bushel, or maybe even close to a bushel of cilantro. I mean, and you can look at the stuff in the store, and it doesn't have the color of this. So it's always good to do fresh. I got enough time here to. And this was early, but I got enough time here to well, what can I say? Make more time. But anyway, you need to take a look, see what's in your store, see what you're going to have. I don't worry about some stuff like this here. This is it's a couple years old, but it's nice, is good, ready to eat, just as good as whenever it's put in there. But take some time, start checking, start getting your stuff ready. Don't be that person that waits to the last minute and then you don't have what you need. It's simple. This is a little quick video just to remind you, get prepared. And I hope this really helps. You want to see more of my videos? Well, hit that subscribe, hit the bell so you'll be notified. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and share it. Happy gardening.